Hi everyone, so I just want to show you a couple of quick vids of things that I'm adding to my shop. And I am adding a whole bunch of Peter Rabbit embellishment kits and appliques and a few little baby brag whoops. So this is some of the appliques that you will see in the shop. And you get 12 of these. It's pink, all white. Isn't that so cute? This would go great on baby sweaters, baby hats, baby blankets as a granny square. Absolutely gorgeous. And sometimes not everybody likes to crochet. So this is a great way for you to have that crochet element in your projects, even though you don't crochet. So check that out. These are up at my Etsy shop. That's Crafty Kim Shop over on Etsy. Then there's these. Of course, you would press these down and they would stay straight. But how cute this would be on as a granny square. How adorable on a sweater. How cute is that? So check these out on my Etsy shop as well. Then I also have in my Etsy shop these lovely little teapots that I still have to weave in the little loose ends. But these are pots, little miniature teapots. How cute are these? And these would be gorgeous with just a cute little picture in the center of the teapot. How cute is that? Imagine this being the baby's picture. Right? Wouldn't that be amazing? So check these out. They're also in my Etsy shop. I have them in various colors and sizes. And this is my own pattern. So check those out. They are listed as well.